Hi guys, I am Varshita and I am going to teach you how to make a origami bubble. For that you will need a paper and fold it diagonally. And make sure that the edge is very sharp. And then turn it back, fold it till this crease and then fold it very hard. And make a crease and then tear it. And then this is the base part. In the middle you will have this fold and keep it. This fold to this fold. And then you will have in the middle X and fold it into half. And then you will have like this. And then again fold it diagonally. Keep a finger on this line and then fold it back. Then keep your hand and push it. And then this also you have to push it down. And then you will get 4 edges. And take a edge and fold it up. Something like this. Do the same thing all the 4 sides. After you done this, turn it back and do the same thing. After doing, it will get something like this. And then keep it like this and take this edge to the middle line. This edge to this edge and make a very tight crease. Then do this also like that and do the same thing over the back side. After doing, it looks like this. And you will have a small pocket here and open it. Take this and put it inside and then make a crease. It looks like this. And open this pocket and then put this small piece into that. And it looks like this. Turn it back and do the same thing. And then it looks like this. And turn it down and open this too. It gets like this and blow. And then your bubble is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.